23 degrees, which means it needs a tile that overlaps. You can see the lap on the left hand side of this tile, and that lap prevents water going between the tiles and hitting the membrane. Before I put those tiles on, I had to cut the hole for the skylight, which felt absolutely wrong, cutting through my membrane, but it had to be done, and I started building the upstand. The upstand for the skylight had to be 150mm above roof level, so I got to work on that, and eventually it looked like this. But once it was in, there was no going back, so I just started laying out the tiles to see how many I needed per course. At this point, I still hadn't nailed down every lath fully. I was still worried about the spacing, but once I built up the confidence and laid out a few tiles, I could see it was going to work perfectly fine. So I moved on to the ridge and used the fibre cement slips. They sit under the laths and on top of the masonry, and it's going to add a real nice edge to the roof, especially when it's been pointed up with some dark grey mortar to match the roof.